Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to get kutools tab in Excel. Now see this kutool. I already added this kutools tab. Okay. Go to your any browser. Okay. Now type kutools for Excel. Now suggest this. See this extend office free download kutools for Excel. Now click here and download now. We can see this download for kutools. Download this kutool and set up this. Right click mouse, click or OK. Next, already repair this. You install your kutools or setup. OK. After close your Excel and again open your Excel program. Then you see this kutools. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.